All right, what's going on YouTube? So, got another box shit we're working on. The food truck. My buddy, his buddy, had just bought this car and he wanted, try to get into getting something to fix up and cruise around in. So, it's a Caprice model 88. It's a little rough, but it's his project car. What he got going on, he heard some knocking in the motor when he bought the car, and he just told me, if I can figure out where it was coming from or if it's really the motor. But his project car is a little rough. Just check it out. Me looking at the car, I was looking at the exhaust manifold. I thought it could have been that right there or over there. So I'm gonna crank it up and let you guys hear it. And y'all let me know what y'all think. And it's hitting the frame right here. So I'm gonna crank it up and then let you hear it. For the most part, it does run good. It's got a brand new, I think it's a 650 seal film holley carburetor. It only has that knob like when it's idling, and right now it's almost like you can probably hear it right now. You can hear it, and that's internal. So I'm thinking that it can be the crank could be going out, or it's something that's not good. I checked the torque converter bolts, checked all that, make sure those all intact. It has like flow masters on it, but it sounds real good. But at idle, if it's all the way down, y'all let me know what y'all think. When it's running good. When it's at idle like that, it's good. If you turn it down, get it dialed down just a little bit more, you can hear that. But for the most part, it is a project car. So I'm gonna let him know. It is the exhaust. It's not the exhaust. It's just the way it looked. I thought it could be in that. I'm gonna let y'all hear it from the back, from behind, and like I said, she runs pretty good. Yeah, it's a beat. It's a little rough, but it's nothing out of the ordinary. Gotta get some parts replaced, but you can hear it now. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Yeah, you can feel it. I'm not gonna rev it up too much. But yeah, that's what I was talking about. You can hear it. But y'all let me know in the comments. Please, man, help me out. Just let me know what y'all think, man. I really appreciate it. And we out. Peace.